Faheem Shaheen English Practice. Welcome to my channel. Daily Talk. Daily talk means the simple word we use every day to speak with others. We use daily talk when we greet people, ask questions, or answer someone. For example, we say things like good morning, how are you, or what are you doing. We also use it when we talk to our friends, family, or teachers. Daily talk helps us share our thoughts and feelings. It is not hard to understand because words are easy and common. We use daily talk all the time at home, at school, at academy, and in many places. Thanks for watching. Like and comments and subscribe our channel.